In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a WooCommerce order. Whether you're new to the WooCommerce platform or looking to refine your skills, refunding an order doesn't have to be a daunting task. Follow along, and you'll soon be a pro at this essential e-commerce skill. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the WooCommerce section of your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option labeled Orders. This is where all your current and past orders are conveniently stored, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your sales and transactions. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you should find it fairly straightforward to locate the order you wish to refund. Upon clicking the Orders section, you'll be presented with a list of all the transactions that have taken place in your store. Take a moment to scan through this list to find the specific order that requires attention. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it to open up the detailed view of that particular order. Here, you'll see all sorts of useful information, including customer details, order items, and payment status. Now, directly under the list of items in the order, you'll notice a button labeled Refund. Clicking on this button is the key to initiating the refund process. It's good to note that this button will appear for any order that has been completed or is in the process of completion, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. After clicking Refund, you'll encounter fields where you can enter either the quantity of items you wish to refund or the specific amount to be refunded. This flexibility allows you to tailor the refund process to meet any particular circumstances. For example, if a customer has returned just one item from a multi-item order, you can easily refund just that portion accordingly. Take your time to verify the accuracy of the amount or quantity you input, as discrepancies can cause unnecessary inconvenience for both you and the customer. Once you've confidently entered the refund details, it's time to finalize the process. The next and final step is clicking Refund manually. This action will complete the refund operation for the transaction you've selected. It's a simple step, yet it plays an important role in maintaining the integrity and transparency of your transaction records. In summary, navigating the process of refunding an order in WooCommerce is straightforward once you know where to look and what steps to take. By following these simple guidelines, you can ensure that refunds are handled efficiently and professionally. This not only enhances your store's reliability, but also ensures customer satisfaction, as they know their concerns are addressed with diligence. Thank you for watching, and happy refunding.